A healthy gut is populated by diverse and beneficial microorganisms. These microorganisms play a crucial role in digestion and overall well-being. A balanced diet supports the growth and maintenance of a thriving gut microbiome. The video aims to guide viewers towards achieving a happy gut. The video will address common digestive issues such as bloating and constipation. The presenter will provide information and guidance to help viewers improve their digestive health. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into smaller molecules that the body can absorb and use for energy, growth, and repair. The small intestine functions like a highway, facilitating the absorption of nutrients from digested food into the bloodstream. Undigested food and waste products are eliminated from the body through the large intestine. Bloating occurs when excessive gas accumulates in the digestive tract. Constipation arises from slow movement of stool through the colon, leading to hardened waste. Digestive issues like bloating and constipation can result from dietary imbalances, dehydration, or lack of physical activity. Probiotics are beneficial microorganisms that support digestive health. Probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut contribute to a balanced gut microbiome. Regular consumption of probiotic foods aids in maintaining optimal digestive function. Probiotics contribute to gut health by helping to balance the intestinal flora. These beneficial bacteria support the immune system by competing with harmful bacteria. A balanced gut flora is essential for overall health and well-being. Dietary fiber functions as a broom within the intestines, facilitating the removal of waste. Adequate fiber intake promotes regular bowel movements and supports digestive health. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are excellent sources of dietary fiber. Fiber promotes smoother digestion by adding bulk to the stool, facilitating easier passage through the digestive tract. A diet lacking in fiber can lead to constipation due to slower movement and increased difficulty in passing stool. Visual comparison highlights the benefits of fiber: improved digestive regularity and reduced constipation risk. Gradually increasing fiber intake is essential to prevent digestive discomfort. A balanced approach to fiber consumption minimizes bloating and gas. Sudden increases in fiber can lead to adverse gastrointestinal effects. Thorough chewing is essential for effective digestion and nutrient absorption. Chewing increases saliva production, which contains enzymes that initiate carbohydrate breakdown. Properly chewed food reduces the workload on the stomach and intestines, promoting better digestive health. Water plays a crucial role in the digestive process, aiding in the breakdown of food. Adequate hydration is essential for efficient nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Drinking water throughout the day supports optimal digestive function and overall health. Gentle exercise stimulates digestion by increasing blood flow to the digestive system. Light physical activity promotes intestinal muscle contractions, aiding in the movement of food. Regular, gentle exercise can improve nutrient absorption and reduce digestive discomfort. Stress negatively impacts digestion, disrupting normal gastrointestinal function. Deep breathing exercises promote relaxation and improve digestive processes. Meditation and time spent in nature can reduce stress, supporting healthy digestion. Paying attention to bodily signals is crucial for intuitive eating. Ignoring digestive discomfort can lead to unhealthy eating habits. Intuitive eating involves making food choices based on the body's natural hunger and fullness cues. The first step involves selecting a base of plain yogurt, known for its probiotic benefits that aid digestion. Next, a variety of fresh fruits are added to enhance flavor and provide essential vitamins and fibers. Finally, granola is sprinkled on top to add a satisfying crunch and provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. A colorful salad with legumes combines various vegetables and legumes to enhance both flavor and nutritional value. The combination of fiber from vegetables and legumes promotes optimal digestion and gut health. Legumes provide essential nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals, complementing the benefits of vegetables. Whole grain toast with avocado provides healthy fats and dietary fiber. The preparation involves toasting whole grain bread and adding fresh avocado. This combination offers a nutritious and simple meal option. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods into one's diet supports a healthy gut microbiome. Consuming adequate fiber aids digestion and promotes overall well-being. Regular exercise and relaxation techniques contribute to a balanced and healthy lifestyle. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with increased energy levels and improved overall well-being. Increased energy from a healthy gut supports physical activities and an active lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced gut microbiome contributes to sustained energy and vitality throughout the day. Probiotics contribute to a healthy gut by introducing beneficial bacteria, fiber, chewing thoroughly, and staying hydrated support optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Regular exercise and stress reduction promote a balanced gut microbiome and overall well-being. Small dietary adjustments can substantially improve digestive health. Consistent hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal digestive function. Regular physical activity promotes a healthier gut microbiome and overall well-being. An animated subscribe button serves as a visual reminder. Subscribing to the channel provides viewers with access to more health tips. Regular reminders encourage viewers to engage with the channel's content. Encourage viewers to like the video if they found it helpful. Prompt viewers to share the video with friends and family. A call to action enhances video engagement and expands reach. Viewers are encouraged to leave comments sharing which tips they plan to implement. Audience input is valuable for tailoring future video content to meet specific interests and needs. Suggestions for future video topics are welcome and will help shape upcoming content. Thank you for watching this video on healthy living tips. We hope these tips have been helpful in your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Join us in the next video for more insights and practical advice on maintaining a healthy life.